Hi guys, thanks for joining us. So we're here to talk to you about the smart connected TM6 and all the amazing things you can do with it in the kitchen.
What are we looking at today?
So today we're looking at one of the great features, and that's the weighing function of the Thermomix.
Fantastic. Now I hear with the weighing function you can actually weigh in 1 gram increments, is that right?
Yeah, that's right. You can weigh in really precise amounts, which is great for those recipes where you need to be accurate, like in baking.
Ah, fantastic. How does it work?
Yeah, I'll show you how it works. So we need to activate the scales function, and you can see how we can weigh really precise amounts.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yes,
1 gram
it is,
increments.
yeah.
Very simple.
Yeah, and what's really important to remember to make sure that you are weighing correctly is to have your Thermomix on a flat surface.
Right.
Make sure the cord's extended, and just make sure that the scale feet on the bottom are nice and clean.
Great. Well, that's really easy to remember as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, fantastic.
Yeah. And what I love about it is that you don't need to have an extra pair of scales in the kitchen, no measuring cups. It's all integrated in the one appliance.
I can keep my bench nice and clean and uncluttered.
Yeah. So that's just one of the many features of your smart connected TM6. Thanks for joining us.